In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear door belt molding or door seal on this Ford F-150. This will be located inside of your rear door jamb. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the door seal, we're going to start down along the bottom at this trim panel. Use a plastic trim tool. They come in different shapes and sizes. Pick the one that fits you best. We're going to carefully make our way underneath here, being extremely careful for any pinch points. We'll start gently prying this up and out of position. Once you have it up, you can see all the locking tabs there. Just a quick inspection and we'll set that aside. Now down along the bottom of this area is where we're going to start with our plastic trim tool. Start prying this up. We're going to separate this. It should fall out of place. Just a quick inspection of that. We'll set it aside. Continuing on, you're going to find a second one right here. Same process, just go ahead and slide it out of there. Make sure it's reusable. Now you can go one direction or the other. We're just going to make our way all the way around the entire door jamb, removing the door seal. There it is, friend. Once you have that removed, prior to installing the brand new seal, we like to clean the entire mounting surface all the way around. I'm just using some glass cleaner directly on a clean rag. We'll give this a quick wipe and thorough inspection, confirming nothing's rotted or damaged. It's time for our metal clips. We want to make sure we have them in the proper orientation. We have the larger area facing inboard. That's going to hold our seal. Once it's aligned, you just want to go ahead and press it down on there. If you did need to, you could lightly tap it with a hammer. Should slide on there fairly easily. There we are. So now we're looking at the end of our door seal. Of course there's two ends, but we want to make sure we're starting with the proper side. Now if you were to look at this, as I squeeze, this area squeezes, but this area doesn't. This one actually has a metal channel inside, so that's something that we want to pay attention to. This is the groove that will go around the body of the vehicle, and this is the area that the door is going to press against, which is, of course, is what causes our seal. For this, you're also going to find that you have this area. Now this is just a notched out area for each one of our clips here. We're going to start with our first notch right around here, and then we'll make our way all the way up and around the door, ending down in this area again. Let's start getting this in place. As I mentioned, the body's going to go through that metal channel of the seal itself. We'll start aligning this. You can see I'm rolling it in here. We're just lightly applying pressure. We need to be forcing it up against the body the entire time, especially around the corners. If you leave a little gap here and then you continue on, you're going to find that it's very difficult to push this in afterwards. So we just want to go ahead and take our time here. If you needed to, you could use a rubber mallet. Just be extremely careful. Stopping in the corners, of course. Now at the end, if you found that you have any excess, you want to make sure you check all of your corners to make sure it's completely seated all the way around. After that, you can go ahead and trim this. Quick trim. And now we'll slide this into place. Now that we're sure we have everything aligned, let's go ahead and reinstall our trim panel. Line up your locking tab and press it in. Couple light taps if necessary. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our door seal. The next thing we'll do is test the functionality by opening and closing the door. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.